pray for those of you who are seeking a revival in your faith. Wherever you are, whoever you are, if you seek revival, if you are like that deer panting for the waters, I want you to stand wherever you are right now. Tumayo kayo kung ikaw ay isang mananampalataya na naghahanap ng kalakasan sa Panginoon. Wherever you are right now, those of you who are watching right now this live stream, wherever you are watching right now, maybe it's not yet your house, it's not yet your worship time. Maybe you are in your homes. Maybe you are in your living rooms. I don't know where you are, but I want